Hello all. So, I'm out in Utah at a rest area right now. If you're ever traveling down I-90 in eastern Utah, this is the rest area by Echo. So, very beautiful scenery. I love these red cliffs. So, we'll sit here. Let's see, as soon as I can get this stupid tripod set up. Ah! Earthquake. Let's see. We'll open this. Remember to go to this month's giveaway video. Leave a comment. Drawings tomorrow. There was a little prairie dog over here. Oh yes, don't mind the gloves. You know, I've told you guys I've had some issues with my hands, so I'm seeing if maybe this can help. I don't know if it's like allergic reactions or what, so hopefully you guys can hear me. It's not too windy or anything here. Make sure if you're opening outdoors, you have a place to put your garbage. Code card. Promo. Put that in the backpack. This is one of those tins with 2 packs of Twilight. Oh. There's the prairie dog again. He's just chilling. I think people must feed him. Oh, he's looking at the camera. Anyways, 2 packs of Twilight, Temporal, Obsidian, and Obsidian. So we'll start with the Obsidian. Oh, there's a second one. They're like, hey, you got food? I don't have food right now. Code card. Oh, there's a third one back there. Sorry, guys. Temple, Surskit, Salazzle, Stunfisk, Frogadier, an Umbreon Reverse. Well, we already know what the rare is. Tadpole, Entei. It's a beautiful day out here. Next pack of Obsidian. Oh. And they go running around. Dude. I don't know if they're fighting or what, but oh. And they went. They're just all over the place. Let's see. Get a little more of the cliffs. Anyways, we're opening up this pack of Obsidian. Code card. Tadbulb. Numel. Mawile. Togedemaru. Charmeleon. Beartick. Bronzong. Flamigo. Squovet. And a trash-sized Tyranitar EX. And I think I forgot my sleeves in the truck. So, let's see. We'll put that right there for the moment. And let's see. Let's do the Temporal next. Yes, all my garbage is going in a backpack. Meltan, Nuzleaf, Minchino, Rockruff, Roserade, Keldeo, Iron Jugulus, Palafin, Bronzor, and an Iron Thorns, and a Grass Energy. So, I mean, decent pack selection. I have not been getting hits from these tins, really. Code card. Chimchar. Pinsir. Ooh, there might be a hit. Fion. Girder. Ambipom. Bug catching set. Aggron. Or it's just a hollow. Apom. Revavroom. Oh, nope, it's an EX. Sinistra. Shiny Eyeballs. And Darkness Energy. So we've got two EXs so far. And last pack. Code card. Sandshrew. Ooh, I see maybe some texture at least. Darumaka. Apom. Poliwag. Heracross. Palafin. That's definitely some texture. Handheld Fan. Poltergeist. Glimmet. And a Carmine full art. Nice. I think I do already have this one. So this will probably be going in a mystery pack. But anyways, you guys want one last look around? Love you. Bye.